I hope you're doing great. I welcome you all on the website named Red Soso Banking. So, guys, I wanted to know, have you ever heard about Soso Banking? If no, then please go through the news article. Guys, are you interested in investing your money in the right platform? If yes, then do explore the website. According to the latest updates, guys, Soso Banking is what people are gaping for. It is a smart, safe, and secure website. It helps clients to strengthen customer relationship. Guys, the company says they build social banking solution designed to help clients attract and retain customers from the target market segments. They create opportunities to cross-sell the products and services. They build connections and they designed special products for their customers. They have an intelligent lender matching platform that connects small business to the right capital and resources with real time, and even they are having so many pathways in which you can explore the given cases. Guys, according to my opinion, it is a smart social banking account designed to help people to save, build strong, to credit, to invest money with the people you trust, basically with the local community. So for the better option, you can join the movement too. The company is founded in 2015. It is created to assist community banks that provides low cost deposits. The company is inspired by the local villagers, saving and their old loan traditions. Company says that it is a fintech company and social enterprise. Then next is the product and services, marketing, consulting services. It has an affinity groups too. It has a capital connector with an intelligent lender matching platform that connects customer to the right capital, surely bonds and business export services. It has marketing services too. Already running an informal Soso, tender, Gamia, and looking for a better way to manage it? If yes, they provide you a technological innovative solution to help and organize your group, manage your payments, and earn commission with the Soso. Even guys, if you're wanted to have any job opportunity in the Soso Bank, the opportunity is here, you can explore. So guys, the company is doing quite well. Even the big brands are working with the company. That is something very commendable. Like Samsung, Nation Swell, Gulf News, all the Forbes Technical, Washington Business Journal, DC Chamber of Commerce are working with the company. Guys, if you're finding any sort of problem or query in the website or about the Soso banking, so you can easily chat with them. They would love to hear from you, and so that if you have any problem, you can go to the address also, that is ATM Street, Washington, DC. If you wanted to email them, then the email address is info@investsoso.com. All the information is already given on the website. If you wanted to get some demo about the banking, you can email them on demo@investsoso.com. So guys, do share your reviews also, because your reviews are very important. Do tell us how you feel about Soso banking, how Soso banking is better than others. Do comment in the comment section. We also wanted to hear from you. So guys, if you like the review, then do hit the like button, and for more information like this, do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for listening.